In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on BCH future while examining Bitcoin money cost figure for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Bitcoin money. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Bitcoin money value expectation and answer questions in the event that BCH is a wise venture or not. For what reason will BCH succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Bitcoin money value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. Bitcoin money introduction. In mid-2017, a gathering of engineers needing to build Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on the 1st of August 2017. Thus, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the digital currency split in two. Bitcoin money was made out of pressure among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange charges and progressively dissimilar assessments on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin. Bitcoin money additionally focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshi's as vision for the first Bitcoin, seeing distributed exchanges as the guiding principle recommendation of the organization and the component that ought to be enhanced versus other contending factors like security. It contrasts from different renditions in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Its general objective is to build the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin money will actually want to rival the volume of exchanges that industry monsters like PayPal and Visa can at present process. Bitcoin money value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 7.89% $138 04 2023 0127 plus 6.98% $136 87 2023 01 28 plus 0.27% $128 29 2023 01 29 2.61% $124 61 2023 01 30 plus 5.61% $135 12 2023 01 31 plus 0.95% $129 16 2023 02 01 0.41% $127 43 2023 02 02 3.53% $123 43 2023 02 03 plus 2.03% $130 55 2023 02 044.86% $121.73 Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 13.64%, $110.50. 2023 Blemish 26.26%, $94.35. 2023 APRA 24.67%, $96.38. 2023 May 25.01%, $95.94. 2023 June 11.64%, $113.05. 2023 Joel 5.77%, $120.57. 2023 AUG 9.08%, $116.33. 2023 SEP plus 5.21%, $134.61. 2023 OCT plus 7.80%, $137.93. 2023 NAV plus 16.71%, $149.32. 2023 DEC plus 18.70%, $151.88. 2024 JAN plus 23.60%, $158.14. BCH Value Forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees BCH coming to $245.66 in 2025. What will BCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of BCH in 5 years could lie around $241.96. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Bitcoin Money will be worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Bitcoin Money coming to $614.15 in 2030. What Bitcoin Money will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Bitcoin Money coming to $1,228.30 in 2040. Will Bitcoin Money supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin Money won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Is Bitcoin Money worth purchasing? We are supporters of modestly hazardous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Bitcoin Money merits purchasing. Is Bitcoin Money a wise speculation? Bitcoin Money is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Bitcoin Money be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $76. In the long haul, it could leap to $614.15 or significantly higher. For what reason will Bitcoin Money succeed and get more expensive? Bitcoin Money has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Bitcoin Money ascending to $614.15 in 2030. For what reason will Bitcoin Money fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the venture, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising system, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Bitcoin Money go? Our determining model sees Bitcoin Money value detonating and coming to $1,228.